Good morning everybody, we are up and ready for our Animal Kingdom day. I've got my jungle bookies on today. We are starting the day with breakfast, the only way you can do it at French Quarter. And that is with beignets. And then we've got the chocolate sauce to go with it. Yum, we're going to enjoy this and then we'll be ready for our Animal Kingdom day. Right, we are at Animal Kingdom. We've just been in the shop as we always do, and now we are heading into the Tree of Life show, the Zootopia one. I can't remember what it's called, so it'll be a first experience of that for us. So hopefully it'll be good, but it's very pretty under the Tree of Life.
Let's take a little pause. Sharks are not our friends, Nemo. Haven't you seen Jaws? You don't want to meet a swordfish. You don't want to meet a whale. The big blue world. Just a little fish. This big blue world. Something can happen to you. Take a look around you. The ocean's alive. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Really ready? Think I'm ready? Then drop off! You think that you can do these things, but you are wrong!
I hate you!
And the Nemo can swim right toward that boat!
Suddenly a diver appeared. Help me! La 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 la. Sorry, sir.
Help! He's got my son! He's got Nemo! Have you seen a boat?
A boat? I've seen a boat. Follow me.
Thank you!
I guess I should explain. I got this problem with my brain. Things get really scrambled in my head. I'm not even sure what I just said.
Hello!
Well, hi.
Name's Bruce.
I'm Dory, and this
No, you don't need to know. Let's just leave. I'd like to invite you, morsels, to a little party on heaven.
What did you bring for us, mate?
We're starving. Couple of tasty boys.
Oh.
She's not friends.
He's our friends.
Not friends. We know that fish are friends, not food.
Well, sometimes.
Sweet sing the night. Each day we fight the fight. I've got you in my sight. Fish tonight! And our food.
Dad?
Hey, kid, you'll get back to your dad. I've been watching you. You're small enough to break us free. Together, we swim together. Cooperation is the secret to our success. Together, we swim together. Without this, you're our ticket to breaking free.
The mask is gone. That was the only chance I had of finding my son.
Oh, Harpo! Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Life isn't all that grim. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Everything will be okay. And boom, the moment is gone. And what do?
We just keep swimming
on.
Just back in the tank, Nemo was losing hope that his dad was even out there at all.
My dad, he's not brave enough.
You have traveled far. You must be swimming under a lucky star. Go with the flow.
goodness.
Why don't you take it slow? But a sea house fort does fly in so. It's awesome. Raised on beach, then cuckoo choo. Just go with the flow. Go with the
That's my dad, I knew all along. Underneath, he's really brave and strong. Dad! Dad!
Nemo, you're alive! You're alive! And you are.
I'm Lord Explorer!
Time for school!
And now I'm gonna get some knowledge.
And come home when you're done. Don't worry, I'll be careful.
But remember to have fun. Everybody find a
Buddy, I mean, all that means you.
Nemo.
Bye, Free.
Bye, son.
Right, hello everybody. We have we did the Tree of Life show. That was quite cute. A bit different to Have to Be a Bug. Then we went on and we did Nemo, which is always a favourite. You can't go wrong with that. And we are now at Flame Tree for lunch. Sitting down here with all the birdies. Mum's got the chicken salad.
Sorry, tucking in already.
Going healthy. And I mean, what else would you expect from me other than the pulled pork mac and cheese? You can't beat it. And it's our last day here, so gotta have it. And then we've got the slushies as well. Yum yum yum. Gonna dig in and enjoy, and then probably head over to Africa for Lion King safari, and then at some point we'll head over to Navi River Journey as well. So we will take you along.
To the festival of the Lion King! Welcome to my world! Present to you His Majesty, the Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba.
The festival of the Lion King! Let the procession begin!
Hiya, folks! How you doing? Don't worry, your old buddy Timo's here. The show can begin. What on to
I just can't wait to be king!
Hey, guys! It looks like we're all here. Let's go!
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. So, where you from? Yikes! Let's get out of here!
Are as whipped as a warthog's backside. But all the chance of a lifetime. Be prepared for sensational news. So prepare for the coup of the century. Be prepared for the murkiest scam. Be prepared.
Festival of the Lion King is done, and now we are enjoying a sweet treat, pineapple dollop float, and then just like the other day, we have got a pineapple crisp sundae, delicioso. Then we're going to go on the safari once we've eaten this. Here we have Lucy joining us on WhatsApp. That's her feature in the vlog. She'll be back in the next ones, don't worry.
Rhino up there with a couple things from this distance. One, by their size, is they're one of the smallest rhinos, only weighing up to around 3,000 pounds. Like this one right here to your left-hand side. Striking a beautiful pose for us. They also have a very pointy front lip they use to pull food to their mouth, but that one's eating with it, and the other one is also using it to scoop food in their mouth, so we're not going to really be able to see it too well. This one up here to your left is having their dinner for the evening, it seems. Using that prehensile front lip there to pull that food into his mouth. But we're going to keep going as we have some antelope on our right-hand side over here. As the bongo is startled, they dive through the brush to disappear for good, earning the bongos the nickname the ghost of the forest. But we're going to keep on going here. As to keep our several minutes at a time, they much rather walk or run along the bottom of the river instead, or do spins in the water like this one is doing right over here. We're going to come see just over the river edge. This younger one's getting her energy out right now. She was doing some circles in the water. She's down there somewhere, I think. Eventually. She's running around down there right now is what's happening, but we can't really see it. The water's very murky right now. So we see this one hippo on land right there to your left-hand side, half asleep right now. As to maintain that amazing size you see now, they'll eat around 100 pounds of food every day. And then we have another one eating right here to her left-hand side. Seeing their amazing size, but we'll let them keep hanging out back there. These right here are the Ankole cows, also known as the Watusi, by the Watusi tribe domesticated them in the region. Cone structure inside of their horns where blood is flowing in them right now to regulate their body temperatures out there. Savannah. Hanging out with those sables are some wildebeest here, the second most densely packed mammal in the world just behind humans, as they're known to travel in herds up to 1.5 million wildebeest. Also nicknamed the News for the new sound they make, spelled G and U. We're getting very close to this female. So what's happening here is, here on the reserve we use positive reinforcement to keep the animals out of the road, meaning we give them treats to stay out of the road. Like that one on the shorter side at about 16 feet tall. There is another one of those bushes right there. The males reach around 18 to 19 feet tall. We're gonna see how big this one is. That's a baby giraffe, actually. Coming out of nowhere there. He's very adorable, as you can see. He's making his way clumsily down the hill. As they're born at an average 6 feet tall. He's about 11 feet tall, as his first birthday was just a couple weeks ago. He's very young and very adorable. Looks like he's going off on his own. I don't know what they're doing. Looks like they're just trekking through the bushes right now. They can also maintain a trot rate jog indefinitely, meaning they can run as far as they want to. But I'm not seeing the mom nearby at the moment. But here comes this female very close by right here. She's heading this direction. Oh, and she got distracted. That's okay too. And we're turning back around. Okay. So we're gonna slowly keep going here, as we've been quite slowed down today. They eat, which carries a chemical called beta carotene, and that big elephant in the weigh distance out there. Now that is a male African elephant. And we can tell that with just his size from here, as males like that one weigh a whopping 13,000 pounds, while females weigh around 8,000 pounds out there. We're going to go around our flamboyant friends, who get that pink color from the brine chip of the water that they eat, which carries a chemical called beta carotene, giving them that pink glow. But we're going to keep going slowly here, saying goodbye to our flamboyant friends as we're going to make our way into the brush of the savannah one more time over here. Actually, there's one in the very back over there, and this other one having a snack right now. Now, one reason they are so quick is their semi-retractable claws, as they can slightly stick out their claws like cleats on an athlete to run in the loose dirt out there to gain traction. We're very lucky to see an awake lion, as they will sleep for up to 20 hours out of the day. Oh my God. Speaking of sleep, it looks like he's only slept for 17 hours so far, so very sleepy still. And very handsome. He does not look fully grown. He only looks about 3 years old. With him still growing, he's still learning to use his roar, but when he fully learns how, it can be heard up to 6 miles away.
We went on the safari. It was actually a really good safari. We saw quite a lot of animals, an amazing view of the lions. We saw the hippos really close up as well. So there wasn't much we didn't see apart from like the white rhinos. But I think we did see most of it. It was pretty good view. And then we've just come and done Navi River Journey. That was a walk on, which was really good. It's always a cute ride. It's not worth waiting an hour for, but it's worth walking on 100%. And then I think we're just gonna head out of the park now. I think the plan is maybe to do a couple of resorts this evening, maybe like Contemporary, Polynesian, and then we're gonna go from there. It does say it's supposed to thunderstorm tonight, so I'm not quite sure from that what we'll be doing, but just kind of going with the loose plan, and we'll go from there. But we'll have to do some packing when we get back as well. We've been trying to pack our stuff during the week when we've been getting back each night, so that we won't have to do it like loads tomorrow night. Because tomorrow is our last day in Magic Kingdom for the day, our first full day in Magic Kingdom, and the last. But it'll be fun. Yes, we're just going to enjoy the rest of our day, and we'll take you along wherever we go. We're heading out of Animal Kingdom for the last time now. Got just the tree back there. It's a little cloudy now. I think it's supposed to thunderstorm, but hopefully it doesn't. We'll see. But we're going to go back to French Quarter, drop off some stuff, and then I think head back out to Contemporary and Polynesian for a little bit of fun this evening. So we will see you then.
This way, Lori.
Quick pit stop at Magic Kingdom before we head over to the resorts. So we went to the Contemporary, we made a couple of purchases whilst there, and now we're at the Polynesian. We saw the fireworks. Now we've got food. Mother's got the Hawaiian nachos, and then I've got just chicken tenders. But we're going to eat this, and then we're going to head, I think we're going to get the bus to Disney Springs, and then back to the Polynesian, back to French Quarter from there. And then we will end our night before Magic Kingdom tomorrow.